Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to propagate a cylindrical snake plant, so join me till the end of the video. This is the plant that I have grown 18 months ago with 2 shoots. Now it has so many shoots, right? Take a look. Now I will divide all these shoots. Now I have got a total of 5 plants. Now without wasting time I will propagate all of them. So let's start. For potting mix I have used 50% normal garden soil, 30% cow dung manure and 20% vermicompost. This is one of my favorite snake plants that doesn't need much care. It is also an easy growing plant. It can be kept in direct light as well as in indirect light also. It can be kept indoor also as it will be included in ornamental plant category. And about watering, you can water twice or thrice in a week. Remember that the container you use should be well drained. You should not allow the water to stay inside the container, otherwise the plant might get dry. And guys, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Thanks for joining me in till the end of the video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.